Tell me about Riley Peter.
Riley Peter's so happy.
He is? Why?
No.
Is he your doggy?
Yes.
What?
The doggy.
What's your doggy's name?
No, Mommy. No, Mommy. Mommy. Is that taking a pizza?
Not yet.
Mommy, is that taking a pizza? Huh?
No, not yet.
Mommy, is that taking a pizza? Huh?
No. Be gentle, remember?
Wah!
What's your doggy's name?
Wah!
Hey, be gentle, remember? What's your baby's name?
No, it's called Jimmy.
It's called Jimmy?
Yes.
Are you...
Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
What, buddy?
Mommy.
Hmm?
Hi, Mommy.
What's your doggy's name?
No, it's my doggy, the pizza.
What's his name?
It's dog like pizza.
Oh, do you love him? Oh, be gentle, gentle. We just pet him nice, like this. Oh, that's very good. That's very good.
Hey, Mommy, I'll put down there.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Hi, Mommy. Mommy. It's kind of dragon.
Tanner's wagon's over there.
It's my butt. It's my butt, Mommy. I take, Mommy, I take my soda. I take my soda. I make, I speak. Wait a minute. Silly. Baby, Tata.
Pinky Totos.
Yes. Tingy Tata. Mommy. It's Muff and a doggy. It's Muff and a doggy.
Is your friend the doggy?
Yes.
Oh, what's your doggy's name?
Mommy, it's not my doggy. It's Riley Peter. It's just Riley Peter, Mommy.
Oh, it's just Riley Peter.
Yes. Hold on. Service one. Mommy, how to take my mother.